I'm Meg with Meg Behrens Design. I want to bring you in a remodel we are doing in Central Phoenix. So let's go check it out. All right, so this door used to be over there. We were kind of we've rearranged a lot of this floor plan, and one of the big things was just moving the front door. So when you walk in, we have a coat closet, then we're gonna have a little entry bench with a light over it. And this was the space we've kind of like opened up as well. We really wanted to get that open concept feel before the kitchen was in the corner. Laundry, it was just, everything was closed in, and now we're going to just completely open this up. Another great thing that we kind of did as we were going through everything was the homeowners got a study. As more and more people are working from home or just having that area, it's so nice. So this is going to be closed off from the rest of the home, and they will have this area. Then directly across from this is going to be this huge laundry room that we created. So we have the electricians working today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We have two really cool sconces going in here that are going to come down, and then a ton of cabinetry. And when we were working through these cabinets, we were really trying to think of everything that this homeowner will need in their laundry room. A big thing for this homeowner was storage for laundry baskets. So we actually created this built-in at the end with the exact, size dimensions for the laundry baskets to go in, and lots of other fun stuff that you guys will have to check out on another video when we have some after shots. All right, so this fireplace wall. The homeowners love the fireplace. It works great with the actual design of the home, but it wasn't really like the focal point. It just had this stone, and we knew that this wall needed a lot more. So what we're going to do to save a little money, we actually are not demoing the stone. We will wrap new stone around it. We're gonna do like a whitewashed brick, and then we're gonna do two built-ins on the side. And then there was never an outlet for the TV. So we are also going to add an outlet up here to the TV, which will be super nice. So then this will be the complete focal point of the home. Let's come to this side. So over here, we are going to have the dining table centered under this light. And then we're going to do a built-in buffet over here with another light that they're going to have some artwork under and other things to display. This you can't tell right now, but it's going to be a really big slider and a window. So, there's going to be a lot of in and out access here. The pool is behind me in their backyard. So really nice just to be able to come in, grab things from the bar, go out. And then we also wanted the kitchen really close. So this is the kitchen, as you can see. This is actually the whole length of the window. I can't even stretch it. I'm 5'5", if that gives you any idea on how big it is. Kitchen sink centered, so you can look out and see everyone in the backyard while you're doing dishes, grabbing water, whatever you're doing over there. A big part of this kitchen was incorporating this nice large pantry we have back here. So we actually have a built-in desk that has a window in front of it in here, and then shelving. And for this one, we did a glass pocket door. It's going to look like 10 glass panels on it, because it has black mullions in it. The rest of the home, we also have black mullions. We really wanted to tie that all together. So with that being said, not everyone has a pantry door that's always open, right? Great if you have a Pinterest pantry, but we know how people live. So we really thought about that when we were designing the pantry, and the wall directly below that you're gonna be staring at when that door is obviously open or shut, we actually did closed cabinetry. So that's really nice, just so you can kind of hide things, but then you're just gonna have that great look through point. And wait until you see the light fixture we picked. It's gorgeous. So as we keep walking through the kitchen, this is going to be the range over here. So we have a whole wall of cabinetry here. This is gonna be the refrigerator wall over here, and then a nice big island. One of my favorite things that we did on this island was the way we kind of did this. We actually wrapped the seating around this side and this side, which is really nice because this dining table they're getting is very large for the space. So we wanted something, this is a family of 4. We really wanted them to be able to sit and do homework or sit and just have a meal, where it's a little bit more intimate, you're a little closer, possibly playing games. Sometimes it's a little easier and closer proximity than this big long space. So really excited to see them be able to utilize this area as well.